Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use a computer without keyboard. So guys, if you want to use a computer without keyboard, so very easy. First you click on start, scroll down, click on Windows Ease of Access. After click on screen keyboard, there is. Click on option, click on turn on numeric keypad, click on OK. There is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to use a computer without keyboard. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.